What you guys doing?
Oh my God, you little burglar! Can you help me put the leash on, Mr. Chris?
Oh, you guys are doing good. Keep going.
Ryan, it's so hard. No, you're not such a bunny! I think I got it. Okay, which way does it go, like? Yeah, she gets more smarter. Keep her, Jillian. Get her!
And how long have you guys been trying to do this?
Probably for an hour. Oh, Mary, it's me. It's me, honey. It's me. It's okay, girl. It's okay. It's funny. Give me a laugh. Come on.
All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye. I say goodbye for Jillian.
Good luck with your bunny. Say goodbye, Jillian.